Ian hasn't seen the number yet, so I will let you three do the honors.
Okay, that's great. I just saw the number.
Well, almost $13,000. It feels enormous. It's a huge donation, extremely generous, and we're going to be able to put it to good use for the families and the women and children that we serve here today. So that's huge. I wasn't expecting this.
I'm really pleased with the CLAC workforce, able to step up and put forward this donation together with Nova and Ledcor, and just an excellent gesture.
For the second time in a row now, they've foregone a recognition lunch that they earned through our graffiti-free program, and now donating it to very needy charities such as the Central Alberta Women's Emergency Shelter.
We know, like everybody knows, that we've been hard hit in this community, as other Albertans have, and so this is a huge, generous donation. Like I say, one that really I wasn't expecting. I didn't think it was going to be anywhere near this size, so that's huge.
Well, I think it's wonderful that Ledcor can be part of giving back to the community.
That's just awesome that they recognize that you know, $8 or $10 lunch. If they pool it all together, they can make a big difference in the community, which they've done. So
we have 40 beds, so we can house 40 women and their children, and we often run in the low 30s to mid 30s, and that's all year long. We're open 24/7 and 365 days a year.
We've been working here with Nova for the past 3 years on their expansion at their facility in Joffrey, and a great relationship with Nova.
The government obviously funds shelters across Alberta, but each year we have to raise between $200,000 and $300,000 to pay things like food costs, maintenance on the building, things that the government contract doesn't cover. So to keep the lights on and the operation running and keep our women and kids safe, we need to raise that extra money. And the community, even in tough economic times, is still very generous.
Only everybody's quite aware that we're going through some tough times here in the province, and it's good to share when we're able to do that.
I want to say thank you so very much to each and every one of you. I was saying that's a big lunch, wow, and we're so grateful that you forego the lovely meal for the generous donation. So thank you very much.